In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address in SimplePractice. Before we start, make sure you can sign into the new email inbox you want to use and have your current SimplePractice password ready. Your account email is important because it's used for logging in and receiving key notifications, so accuracy matters here. From your SimplePractice dashboard, head to Settings. In the menu, choose Profile, then select Profile and Security. This is where your account and sign-in details live, so it's the right spot for updating your email. Next, look for the SimplePractice Security section and click Manage next to it. This opens the area where you can edit your contact details securely. In the Contact Information section, click Edit. You'll be prompted to enter your current password. That's a security check to confirm it's really you making this change, and it helps protect your account. After entering your password, find the account email field and carefully type your new email address. Double-check for typos and make sure you're using an email you can access at any time. This will become your login email and the address where SimplePractice sends important messages. When you're ready, click Save. Depending on your screen, you might see Continue first and then Save. Follow the prompts that appear for you. Both paths complete the same update. As soon as you save, SimplePractice sends a verification email to the new address you entered. This verification step is required to finalize the change. Go to your new inbox and look for the message from SimplePractice. If you don't see it right away, give it a minute. Then check your spam, junk, or promotions folders. Also make sure the email address you entered in the account email field is exactly correct. When the message arrives, open it and follow the verification link to confirm your new email. Until you complete that verification, your account email won't be fully updated. Once the verification is done, your account email is officially changed. The next time you sign in, use the new email address along with your current password. If you use multiple devices or browsers, it can help to sign out and back in so everything refreshes with the updated email. That's all it takes. You went to Settings, opened Profile and Security, managed your security settings, edited your contact information, saved the change, and verified it from your new inbox. Thanks for watching, and you're all set with your updated email in SimplePractice.